Hi, welcome back to my video. Today I'm just going to show you how to make this quick and easy trifle. Literally it takes about 10-15 minutes to prep and you're done. So let's start. So what I did first, I made the jelly. I got myself a Pyrex dish. Any dish will do, and I used this jelly that I bought from Asda. I'm sure you can find it anywhere. So it consists of boiling 400 ml of water, and using the actual sachet you mix that in and allow it to dissolve, and then let it cool, and then put it in the fridge to set. Once the jelly has set, I move on to adding the cake layer. So I've got this Madeira cake, which is something that I prefer to use in my trifle. This one happens to be a hazelnut flavour one, so that should be tasty. So I slice it up and I add it on top of the jelly layer. Then I use pre-made custard, so a bit of a cheat here, and I just pour that all over the cake layer, and then I'm going to evenly spread that out. Sometimes at this point I like to add some fruit into the custard, or sometimes I add it into the jelly, it depends on your preference. So I've spread that out nicely until it's all even. So I'm going to put that into the fridge and let that chill for a bit while I move on to whipping the cream. So I've got about 300 ml of double cream, and to that I'm just going to add about, I'd say, 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. And then with my handheld mix, I'm just going to whip that up until it forms soft peaks. You don't want to over whip this, because sometimes what happens is the cream actually starts breaking and it's so hard to spread at that point. So you just want to have it at a spreadable consistency. So once the double cream has been mixed, I spread it on top of the custard layer. Now be very gentle, as the custard could move, so you just spread it a little bit at a time and make sure it's spread evenly. Finally, this is the part where you can get creative. So all I've done is diced up some strawberries and just decorated around the edges of the trifle on top of the double cream. So you can add big slices of strawberries, you can add bananas, anything you'd like, you can just add that on the top, and there you go. That's how you make a quick and easy trifle for any occasion.